The Assam Chief Minister is on Twitter giving his statement. The Mizoram Chief Minister is on his Twitter handle giving his statement. There is no resolution. This has not happened for the first time. In November last year, a similar situation arose. There was a bomb that exploded on the Assam side. A government school was bombed. That is the property of the Assam government. Land was encroached. No action was taken because Assam government and BJP of Assam were on election mode. It is extremely unfortunate that the Home Minister of India should come to Northeast to lay foundation stones of hospitals, etc. But he does not resolve this serious situation. Policemen are losing their lives. People are living in fear. When is this going to be solved? They need to be called to Delhi by the Home Minister, and this needs to be resolved peacefully. I condemn the violence, and let me tell you, both the Assam and Mizoram governments are part of the Northeast Democratic Alliance, an alliance that was formed only to win elections and has totally failed the people of Northeast when it comes to maintaining peace. And Northeast Democratic Alliance was stitched by the Honorable Chief Minister of Assam, and now he is unable to control it. I demand from the Congress party that Home Minister of India should immediately intervene and resolve this matter. Northeast is not for tourism, for you to come here and give a lecture and go back. You need to intervene and solve this matter. Both the governments are part of the BJP alliance.